How you guys feeling? You like that little club learn we had in the morning? Yeah, awesome. Well, I want to appreciate all of you for being here. A question I got a lot last night, and that was, Anik, what is your vision for Lurn? What exactly are you trying to do? So I'll give it to you in very specific numbers. Our virtual platform, Lurn Nation, that we're launching, within the next 5 years, we will have 10 million members in it worldwide. 10 million people who will be getting empowered to be an entrepreneur. Our Lurn centers, we will have 50 of them within the next 10 years. All over the world, connecting entrepreneurs from all over the world. And the mission we have is literally to connect entrepreneurs all over the world, to continue to build that community and to continue to build that support. Now, here's the very interesting thing. The more people we have in our community, the more influence that Lurn has, the more talent we can bring to our students. The more amazing people, amazing entrepreneurs, amazing trainers, topic experts that we can bring. Right? So when we get ourselves out there and when we are able to say, this is our community, these are the people that will be present, all of a sudden hands start to go up saying, hey, can I join? Can I help empower this community? Can I teach? Can I, all of the speakers that we've had so far and the tons that are coming, I told you, right? They're here because they just want to serve. So without you, we don't have all these amazing people. So I want you to give yourselves a round of applause for being here. Thank you so much for that. So really, if people ask what's our vision for Lurn, it's this times 100, times 1,000. It's being the place you come to learn, being the place you come to get your start, but also, most importantly, being the place you come to reboot. See, what happens a lot of times in the world, you're here, you feel good. You're getting a lot of great training, you're in a place you belong, everyone around you is supportive, and that's awesome. But then on Monday, you're back home. How many of you have someone in your life that doesn't really believe in what you're doing? Just raise your hands if you have someone. Be proud of it. More than one, someone says. Look around. It's okay. But what happens is when we get back into our regular environments, we get back into our regular life, and life starts to beat down a little bit, right? And so this energy, this frequency we're at, this is where you have to stay for success. But then over time, it starts to go down. So at some point, you need to be able to tap back into something and reinvigorate, reboot. And that's when we want you to turn back to Lurn. That's when we'll be here with physical events, physical centers, virtual events, whatever it is that you need.